Welcome to another series of SAP Ariba's customer self-service videos. And today we're going to be talking about the ability to modify your sourcing templates to meet your business needs. Before going into the demo, let's talk about why configuring your sourcing templates are key to your adoption success. First, you focus on what's important. Oftentimes when sourcing is initially deployed, customers like to incorporate every step of the strategic sourcing process in their sourcing project workspace, from meeting minute reminders to publishing the RFP. Typically, these are too detailed of steps to be covered, and a seasoned sourcing manager does not need a step-by-step walkthrough, but does need guidance on what's important to complete and retain the information, focusing on the key milestones that is important to the customer. Second, the ease of use. Creating a complex sourcing process can increase the chances of the user not using the solution at all. This can lead to not following the processes at all and potentially leading to non-compliance and the sourcing manager performing tenders offline and not adhering to policy, putting corporate sourcing activities at risk. Third, quicker execution means faster savings opportunity. If sourcing managers can execute the sourcing process more efficiently and effectively, they can identify savings sooner and deliver more projects, helping the overall organization. What we will see in this demo is 1. How to review your sourcing process and determine what is important to your business to build. 2. We'll manage the sourcing projects and templates and make the modifications to meet your business needs. And then third, we're going to execute and act as a sourcing user, accessing the new sourcing project template. So let's begin. We first start by reviewing the current strategic sourcing process. What does that mean? We begin asking, what do the sourcing managers need to complete the sourcing process? Do they need every tactical step? Or what are really the key milestone steps that we need to track that we are using for reporting, that we're using for progress, that we need to report to our stakeholders? And why do we need to take that step? Right? One of the key things that we see customers when they really look at their sourcing process and try to build every single step is asking, is that really a requirement or is that just really a reminder? And so we really want to keep things tight and efficient for the sourcing managers to use the solution. Next, we'll go to manage our sourcing process template. So we'll go to manage and templates, and we'll go and select the sourcing project we want to modify. We'll open it. Now in the overview, we'll make sure that it's in draft mode. We can see that in the status in editing. For this exercise, we talked about just eliminating and managing the right phases and tasks we have. So we built the original steps we wanted, but we see that we have a few that we don't think is necessary. So call manager to review strategy. So we'll go to view task details, select actions, and we'll delete that task. We'll see another one where we say send email to stakeholders with, again, as a sourcing manager, we don't feel like we need that reminder. So we'll delete that task as well. And you can also add tasks. Maybe there are tasks that when we reviewed this, we felt were necessary to be added in our process. So again, we can add a new phase, a to-do task, or notifications. We'll add a new to-do task. So let's say we say deliver results to manager. Okay. So we feel like we've made all the modifications. We'll go to actions and publish the changes, and now it's an active project that a user can now select, which then takes us to our third phase. Okay, so we'll exit out of here. And as a user, we can go to create sourcing project. We'll put a name to our project. And when we go into our selections, we will see that we had a visibility condition there. We'll see that the sourcing project that we created, we modified is here. Okay. And then when we create the project, we'll now see when we go to the tasks that the new task that we created, deliver results to manager, is there, and the tasks that we deleted are no longer here. So again, a very easy exercise for us to quickly clean up a sourcing project workspace, but again, to make it more efficient and effective for the sourcing managers. So to recap, we reviewed our existing sourcing processes to understand which phases and tasks were important for the sourcing manager and eliminated those that were just reminders. And so we'll just focus on the key milestones for the sourcing manager. We then went into the template itself and made the appropriate changes on the phases and tasks. And then we went in and acted as a user and created our own sourcing project workspace and saw the updated changes into our tasks. By doing this, right, we focus on what was important for the sourcing manager and for our business as we go through a strategic sourcing engagement. We made the process easier for the sourcing manager and the team to go through and execute on their work. And quicker execution means that the end user, the sourcing manager, can now complete their work faster and more efficiently, which means faster savings opportunity. Thank you for watching the customer self-service video. If you have any additional questions, please reach out to your customer engagement executive or your best practice center individual or Ariba support. Thank you.